Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Tell me what happened to your shoulder.
I don't know what happened to my shoulder.
How long do you have the shoulder pain?
Around
2 years. And how much pain do you feel from 0 to 10?
right now is about 40.
4 out of 10. Just sitting there, you feel 4 out of 10 pain.
Yeah.
Okay. And when you move it, how much pain do you feel?
Okay. Not much when I move straight, but when I try on the
How much pain when you do that?
depend on how far I try to go. Works about 70, 80.
And how long this been going on? How many years? You said?
Oh, like I say, about 2 years.
It's about 2 years.
Yeah.
So, what's difficult for you to do because of this, other than reaching back? How's your sleeping?
Right now, last 2 weeks I have no problem at all.
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
But before that, before I go to see doctor,
Yeah,
it's
okay.
a lot so.
So it's more problem with going backward and reaching forward.
That's
yes?
right.
Okay.
This thing on the side, not the front, on
Yeah.
the other side.
On the other,
Yeah,
okay.
and on the back.
On the back.
On this side, once a while, it hurt.
Okay.
But it's good now.
So you have sharp pain now?
Yeah, it's sharp pain.
From 0 to 10, how much pain?
Now, about 60.
6. Okay. Do the same motion I'm doing and tell me how much from 0 to 10 pain. How much pain?
About 20.
And here, and do this. To the side. Then bring it up.
Right here, it's hurt now.
Okay. How much?
About 50.
Reach back.
I cannot.
How much from 0 to
Right
10?
now it's still okay, but if I go more, I cannot go more anyway.
And you said the other motion is doing
Oh,
this.
this one is
Okay, and you feel it on the side? Where do you feel the pain exactly?
right here.
Right there?
Through here.
Okay, so I want you to lie on your back, head here. Yeah, it's going further a little bit. Let's try going backward.
Backward.
Going a little bit further, yeah. That's good. Okay, let's do the cross.
On this side, okay. Right there.
You feel the tightness there?
Right there.
Okay, let's do the reaching again. How's that? Let's go backward. Wow, that's much better. Yeah, we have some more to do. Thank you so much. What do you think about the treatment?
That's very good.
Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.